Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create an Instagram ad using Canva and ChatGPT. So basically, you're going to go to ChatGPT for an idea on the design and the words for it. So I'm just going to type in here, create an ad about selling a vanilla cotton, no, a gourmand vanilla perfume for Instagram. Okay, it's more of an ad caption. The words and idea for the actual post. Here's the complete idea for the actual Instagram post, including concept, photo idea, and caption text you can use. Okay. So it says a close-up shot of the perfume bottle on a silky fabric backdrop. Okay, so let's do silk backdrop here. For instance, this one could work really well, I mean. And then I'll do like perfume bottle. Obviously, you're going to want to use your own picture for this, but I don't have a picture of that. Let's do it in all and see. Okay, we can do that. Looks kind of weird though. What about this? I mean, we can remove the background of this one. I'm just gonna place it here. Obviously, you're going to have that. And we can still use this for the post. So let's go to text and add in a text box and type this on. A taste of sweet luxury. And let's find like an elegant font to go with it. That could work. I'm just going to color it the color palette that I want. And then here it says add vanilla beans, soft warm lighting. Okay. Let's do caramel. Obviously, you're going to want to make the colors kind of together with it. Let's try vanilla. Let's add that here. I'm just going to go to edit and I'm just going to go to adjustments and I'm just going to make the temperature a little bit warmer. And I'm just going to adjust the brightness here a little. And then you can add these two on it if you'd like to. Let's go back to like elements here and then find like shapes. I want this one and I'm just going to also round out the points here. And I'm also going to color it like maybe this tone. And then I can also put that like notes you love here. I'm just going to make this a little bit smaller. Like this. I'm just going to also make this a little bit bigger. And that's it. You can add more stuff obviously to it. This is just like a rough draft, but I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.